Hey everybody, it's Trevor, and I want to speak to you for a few minutes today and share something with you. In my role, I'm often reminded on a daily basis of just how special our SingSnap community is. I see acts of kindness all day long. And you know, in times of unprecedented crisis like this in the world, there's always people that rise up, come forward, and make a difference in others' lives. These are the types of things that I see on SingSnap on a regular basis, the types of things that motivate myself and the rest of the staff here to keep working so hard on this wonderful community. And during this unprecedented crisis, it's no exception. Many SingSnappers have approached us and asked what they can do to sponsor an essential worker and bring them SingSnap Gold. This has been something that we've had a look at, and what I've decided to do is create a special thread on the message board, and this thread will be called The Sound of Kindness. Now, what I'm asked is this. You can click the links below and read the details and get to the threads. But simply, it's this. If you are an essential worker, and by that, I mean beyond the healthcare, the obvious that might spring to mind, I'm talking about anybody that's still out there going to work, that's keeping the world turning so we can all stay safe at home until this crisis ends. So these people, everyone out there right now, basically, all the essential workers. If you're an essential worker, please take a few minutes and share your story in this thread. We would love to hear it. If you're everyone else, basically, you're a non-essential worker, everyone else, please take a few minutes and thank the people that are keeping us safe and keeping supply chains running and some sanity in the world in this during this crisis. So my goal really is to let no hero go unsung. So please, SingSnap members, sing songs, dedicate songs, tell us your stories too, but dedicate some songs to these essential workers. Show them the SingSnap love. Let them know you care. I was quite touched by one story where a new member, someone who had watched one of my videos where I talked about the health benefits of singing and how important it was for lonely people, just the human connection and emotion and the humanity that you can achieve through SingSnap. This person was so touched by that they not only came back and registered on SingSnap, bought themselves a membership. They bought a couple more memberships and asked us to put them in the hands of essential workers. So anybody who wants to proceed along that lines can do so in this thread as well. So hopefully we'll hear lots of stories. I'm going to be keeping an active look at this, and can't wait to participate. So that's about it for now. I want to make sure we let all of the essential workers hear the sound of kindness, and they can hear that on SingSnap. So let's give them a big SingSnap thank you. And that's it for now. Everybody stay safe.